Hi guys, so for all you photography and vlogging fans, you'll be pleased to hear that Canon has now officially announced the Powershot G7X Mark III, which is a successor to the very popular Mark II. What makes this announcement special is that the Mark II is perhaps the most popular point and shoot camera for YouTube content creators. Due for release this August, the Mark III will be available in either black or silver for £699.99 or $749. Key features to look out for include, for the first time in the range, the ability to record in 4K at both 30 or 25 frames per second. This is huge news as the Mark II lacked this functionality despite many competitive products offering it. Other key features include 120 frames per second full HD recording, live streaming to YouTube, and convenient USB charging. The inclusion of a 3.5mm microphone input, as well as a tilt-up screen for selfies and low-angle shooting, should please the social media crowd, along with a new vertical recording mode for those Instagram uploads. 20.1 megapixel resolution with 1-inch type stacked CMOS sensor should help to provide superb image quality, coupled with a high quality focal length range of 1.8 to 2.8. 4.2 times 24mm zoom lens. It really looks like Canon have listened to community feedback from Mark II users, and I'm expecting this camera to be the go-to point and shoot for content creators and influencers alike. I've included the pre-ordered links below, so please check them out, and you'll be helping my channel as well, as the links are Amazon affiliate links. That's it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell for more tech news, reviews and tutorials in future. Thanks again, and we'll see you all in the next video.